Hold on.
Okay guys, back with part 2. I didn't replace the Mosfet. I want to show you guys something. So I was running through this, picking out some Mosfet, and I realized I want to use the same batch, and I realized I didn't know I have 3 different batch in the here. So I pick up one with the says 55. It says 55 TV, and then I have another one here that says 69 OL. So whichever one I find the most of first, I'm gonna use them. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna use the 55 TV. I'm not even gonna test them. Just oh man, guys, it's not like I am sure, but sometime, yeah. Guys, after doing this for a while, yeah, you know exactly how to bend the leg of this. Yeah. This is gonna screw to the chassis, so you have to leave that space. Alright, which one didn't do good? This last one here. Alright. Wow, this guy, you can do it like that. Woo. Still burning. So that's 3 down, 3 more to go. Yeah, guys, you could do that too, like with the finger right at this spot there, which if you want to then I hold 3 of them like that, and I do this. Those are together though. Those are bridged just now, but I'm gonna clear that bridge soon. Alright, so right now once you tap one, everything will be okay after that. So you don't have to cut any pins off like that. I just bridge it across. So okay, bridge, yeah, right there was a bridge just now. Come on. What's going on here? Okay, so everything is installed proper. Okay, everything looks good here. See if I have any solder bridge anywhere. Solder bridge. What I normally do here is to, yep, I bend this down, yeah. So okay. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now is clean. Man, did I put it that far? Can you imagine? I was just using it and I put it in the drawer and I put it like, alright, pour some on the board. You could do it like that. Clean up this solder flux. I hate to see a pile of it. Even here I see some now that I'm gonna get rid of. To me these things just conductive. I don't know why, but even though they are not, but that's just my belief sometimes. Right. Okay. Alright, so didn't see any burn trace or anything in this one. This maybe be one of those repair that, you know, I'm not gonna replace this TL494 yet. To me, yeah, maybe it's okay. Maybe that's what I think. That's what I think. And I'm not always right with that part sometimes, you know, you could be wrong, you have to be careful what doing. But for this one, alright. Alright, RF Z44 here. Let me check something here now. Okay, give me the scare just now. Oh, this goes there. Yep. Okay. Check. Alright, let's see. Already then. This is remote. I'm gonna connect the port to it, guys. I'm not gonna switch it on as yet. I'm gonna do some more checking around to see if I find anything faulty. Ports, right? Let me see. It uses so I said I was this originally come with the, you guys can see, 25 amp. I'm gonna remove the 30 and I'm gonna put 25 amp fuse right with. Let me see. Good. It's gonna be one of the white ones. Just 25. Okay, everything looks good, really good. So let me pick around again before I pour it up. Good. Resist that's fusible resistor. Ready. There. Let's drink here. It's already then. Let's see. Alrighty then. Alright guys, as you guys can see, place these power supply MOSFET for this kicker amplifier. Alright, so got some So let's see, guys. Also, you have power and protect back here. This is all these amplifier setup. You see power, protect in the red, power in the green. Okay, turn this other hand down. That's good. This is the rectifier. Alright, guys, let's see. Just pour it and see what happens. Anything happens. Alright, so we're going to see, these feel a little warm to me, so even this one, yeah. So I'm gonna replace this just to see if everything is okay. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this IC. That could be an issue, or one of these. This side right here, yeah, this is a little bit warm. Yeah, that shouldn't be that warm that quick. The amplifier didn't even turn on. So guys, I'm gonna replace this. I see and get back to it. Stay tuned for part 3. I didn't want to just do everything in part 2, but it seems like I have to go to part 3 of this video. Okay, stay tuned. Part 3 is coming up.
Hold on.